I am thankful. Hi, this is Lily and welcome to my channel. I have this idea. I have this leftover ornament from the ornaments you saw me do. And I have this bowl and a bottle of water. And I have purple paint. I have blue paint. I have some very thin white paint. And I have some red paint that's not thin. And I just wondered what would happen if, instead of using chemicals, if I just use water. Just pour it in here. I want to make sure it's deep enough. It looks like it's deep enough. I'll pour a little more. Pour it all. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to squirt paint in this water. And then I'm going to dip this in here. And I think I'll try to use this stick. I don't know how well it'll work. I might have to go like this. And I will need a place to sit it once I'm done. And that may be the rub. I'll find two things that I can put it across so it won't be on the table. I need two things that it'll stay. Here's a bottle there. Let's see, how about a couple of cups? This cup, nope, it'll still be touching. So I need to find two more cups that are tall enough. So this is where we're going to put it, right? This one right here. And this one right here. And for it to dry, hopefully we're going to let it hang just like that. And then it'll dry. So let's put the paint in. Let's start with, I don't know what I want to start with. Do I want to do a purple? I want to do a red and white one, so let's just see. Come up high. Okay. You don't want to come out. Oh. What is your issue? Okay. Let's hold off on that one then. Let's shake it up real good first. I should say real well. I'll put that one to the side. I'll start with purple. Shake it up really well. And I'm going to let's drop some purple paint in there. I thought about putting another color in. This is live. You could give me feedback. I'm going to try some blue also. I'm going to try some blue. I think it's stopped up. I wonder, can I do it this way? Hopefully I don't go crazy and drop too much in there. Come on. And I did. But let's just see. And now we're going to take and we're going to stick this in here and see what happens. I'm going to push it down. Turn it. Swirl it. Bring it up. And you can see there's a hint of blue. but that's not good enough. So let's try something more, something a little more daring. Or maybe just put more glue in. And when you first put it in and it's swirling, that's when you want to put it in and swirl it all about and take it up. And if you ask me, this did not work. This was a fail. This was a fail. I wonder if I had painted it first, which you have noticed. I am not finished. I am going to put, I'm looking for those alcohol inks and put some of those in here. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to try it with fingernail polish. Gotta get it ready. Pour it in and then stick it in, bring it out. Okay. You can see it does a little bit of something right here on the bottom. You can see some of the blue. The fingernail polish seems to work the best. Maybe because it floats on top of the water. Let's see. Let's keep dipping. I kind of like it, but it's not vibrant enough. So, what does that mean? That means I'm just going to keep dipping it. Here we go. Here we go. And here. Now, if this ornament was all white, you could see it better. But I'm trying to hold it so you can see. It does make a difference. And let me see if I can hold this so you can see. There's red in there floating on the top. I'm going to put this over here. I'm trying not to mess up my hands so I don't look like I don't know what tomorrow when I go to church. So, I got that in there. Maybe now if I use some blue fingernail polish, the blue will show up. I couldn't find my alcohol ink, so that's why I decided to go with this. Okay. Pour it in from up here. Let it go around. I think I'm going to pour some more red in there too. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to dip it in. Let it stay in there a couple of minutes and I'm going to bring it out. And look what we got. This is what I was trying to do all along. Let's see if we can get this side over here done. And you bring it up. And you set it there. So actually, I like that. I wish I had more fingernail polish up here in my art studio though. Let's see what other color I have. But I really like this one. Here, I'll see if I can hold it up so you can see it better. And when I turn it this way, you can see. But I really like the part right here. Where it's dripping. So I don't know if to call this a success or a fail. With the fingernail polish, it seems to work better. So that means something, this acrylic paint does not work. I'm pretty sure alcohol ink would work. And if I would have painted the ornaments first in the inside, or if I used an ornament that's already painted, which I don't have one up here. If I did, I would try it just to see what would happen. But okay, I have an ornament, and I'm gonna stick it in here. This is one that's already painted, and let's just see what happens. What do we get? I don't think I really like it, because just so you can see, I think I'm gonna wipe it off and start again, if I can wipe it off. And this is a close-up of how it looks. Not exactly what I was looking for, but that's what you do when you experiment. You find out. Thanks for being here. See you soon. Have a good evening. Bye.